Hi there to all of you. Greetings from Excel Linguals, my YouTube channel again. Our primary goal on this channel is to guide you through Excel from beginner to expert. So, without wasting your time, let us proceed with our new video. In the last two videos, we learned about how to start Excel and become familiar with the Home tab options. In this video, we will learn about pivot table and slicers. These are the primary choices utilized in the Insert tab. If you become an expert in using these options, you will be able to do a variety of tasks to exhibit your data. So let's begin with the tutorial. We are using the same data that we used in the last video. As you can see, we cleaned this data using the Home tab settings, and it is now ready to be shown to someone and viewed by anyone. However, no one is capable of reading every row item. For example, if you want to see total profit for a year or a month, you must filter it manually. However, we can complete this work quite easily using a pivot table. Let us utilize a pivot table on this tab to find the necessary data for this array. First, select all data using Ctrl+A. After that, go to the Insert tab and then to Pivot Table. This task can alternatively be completed using the Alt+N+V+T shortcut. Now press the Enter key. Now you may see a new sheet produced in your workbook with the Pivot Table option. And in the right corner, you will see the Pivot Table Fields dialog box. Now, choose the desired field, such as the total sales of a country. Simply select the field and drag it into the column or row field from which you wish to retrieve data. As you can see, I got the total number of units sold from the data. You can put an option in the box below to find data based on your needs. We can also add slicer on this pivot table to filter out option easily in the pivot. Simply go to Pivot Table Analyze and click on Insert Slicer option, then select the item you want to filter out with option. For example, I want to select the data year-wise, just use the slicer option for that, and select the data as you want to filter out your data. Practice and master this option. These options are quite valuable for data workers and analysts. And we will meet in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe for new videos. If you find this video useful, hit the like button. Have a good day.